There's a great concept called system accidents from Charles Perrow, and it's basically like a massive glitch in the matrix, where a bunch of problems happen all at the same time, and the labyrinth that is the machine or the system affected, it's like a bunch of dominoes falling. Suddenly one's missing or one's out of alignment, and the rest of them don't fall properly. And it struck me that the same happens in organisations. System accidents. And we know that excellent change management needs to follow a structured approach, and that structured approach needs to be sufficiently flexible to take into account of all the different complexities in an organisation and in the change for ultimate success. But keeping the concept of system accidents in mind, we've got to explore beyond those boundaries. Why? Well, because an organisation is a complex beast, and it's usually as convoluted or labyrinthine as the most labyrinthine Heath Robinson, or as Americans call it, I think, Rube Goldberg machine. And during change, we've got to tweak those multiple and complex elements in organisations simultaneously for success. But that's when we've got to watch out, because in the shadows while doing this tweaking lurks Perrow's system accidents. And when you start to poke multiple parts of the organisational beast, you sometimes invite an unexpected meltdown or a system accident that shatters your plan. So the question is, how do we foresee that and use that to our advantage? Well, it's my view that the human innovation decision process, which ProSci call ADKAR, is the key way to do this. And to do that, it's not about treating ADKAR as distinct elements that we go through. It's to treat it as a dynamic, self-referential system which incorporates feedback rather than a set of discrete incremental steps. But what happens when our plans are ambushed by a surprise setback? Which they will be, and the key is, I think, to use those surprise setbacks as feedback upon which we build, allowing us to revisit our initial plans or initial blueprints. So by acknowledging and tackling system accidents, we can be much more successful. I'm going to write an article about this with a bit more detail on how we can practically implement this, so look out for that above.